Hello everyone, I am Nuruswari Gunalan. Today I want to talk about occupational safety and health regarding to workplace environment and ergonomics from topic 6. I am from DPE 1A course and my matrix number is 33DPE20F2003. Our lecturer name is Dr. Maslina binti Mat Isa. Ergonomics. What is ergonomics? It literally means the science of work. It is a continuous process dedicated a high level of comfort within the workplace. Ergonomics derives from two Greek words. It's ergon and namoi. Ergon means work and namoi means natural laws. Workplace environment. It can consist of physical conditions. It can also identify with related factors such as work procedures or work system. The work environment can include the social interaction at the workplace, incorporating interaction with companions. Next, why ergonomics is so important. Ergonomics is a profession that applies theory, principles, methods, and data to design in order to optimize human well-being and overall system performance. It also overextension leading cause of injuries, and bodily reaction is another leading cause of injuries in workplace. Next, we see the good ergonomics. Good ergonomic product design. Ergonomics vary depending on the user, but the best ergonomic designs come from careful evaluation of users' needs and expectations in every possible situation. There are some examples of good ergonomics. The good sitting posture, Microsoft Surface Arc, and Jarvis monitor arm will lead to a good ergonomics. Next one is bad ergonomics. Poor ergonomics can cause musculoskeletal disorders (MSDS). These are debilitating, painful conditions affecting muscle, tendons, tendon sheaths, and nerves. There are some pictures of showing bad ergonomics. The bad sitting posture, the way we lift up things will lead to a unpleasant, painful. It can cause back injuries to us. Next one is safe environment. A safe workplace environment is one in which all possible practical action has been taken to make the workplace safe for every worker. There are some points. The first point is good indoor air quality and ventilation. Proper ventilation helps improve indoor air quality. The high indoor humidity can spur mold growth. There are two types of ventilation that actually can help control harmful air contaminants and humidity. There is spot ventilation and dilution ventilation. They also got another ventilation called natural ventilation. It can actually improve indoor air quality by reducing pollutants that are indoors. For example, opening windows and doors like that. And bad air quality and ventilation will cause of health problem, and the poor maintenance will lead to a very bad indoor air quality. The poor maintenance will affect the health and well-being of occupants. Okay, so remember at the workplace there should be a good indoor air quality and ventilation. There are some illustration about the good indoor air quality. There are some talks among two houses. The first house will regret because it didn't get enough of good indoor air quality, and the second house will tell like my owners got one of those ventilation system and I've been feeling great ever since. So from this we can know the good indoor air quality will lead a best ventilation system. The next point is lighting and sightness. Whether in industrial or office settings, proper lighting makes all work tasks easiest. What are the different sources of light? The first one is daylight, that's from nature, and the second one is electric lighting, that's from human being. Okay, what are basic types of artificial lighting? It is include general, localized general, and local, that's called task. And the next point is temperature and humidity. The temperature must be in reasonable way. If the occupants works for short period or long period, they must get enough temperature and humidity. The temperature must be in 20 to 26 degrees Celsius and the humidity must be in 40 to 60%. Okay, the next point is noise and hearing. Noise permeable exposure limits PEL. It will provide hearing protectors and not exceed above 140 dB. The second one is sound pressure level. The sound waves will produce a vibration and the vibration will create a pattern. The third one is effects of noise on hearing. The difficulty hearing people speak and the inability to hear certain high pitches or soft sounds. And the fourth is noise monitoring. The sound level meter, it means area noise level, and the second one is noise dosimeter and it means personal noise exposure level. And for protect us, we can wear hearing protectors like noise dose, earplug, and communication headsets. It will help us to get a best hearing system. And the next one is principles of ergonomics. Okay, so there are some principles like reduce excessive force, avoid excessive vibration, work in the comfort zone, and retain any joints at natural posture. Okay, they got one picture that shows a lady sit in front of a computer, and it shows general principles of workstation sitting. And the main thing we need to see is the chair, and the second one is keyboard placement, and third one is posture and movement, and the fourth one is work surface height. I also include some rest breaks and exercise. It will help us to get a good posture. The first one is bending our wrist and fingers with our hands, and we must stretch over the back of our forearm. We must hold that position for 30 seconds. And the second one is stretch the arm in front of you with your elbow straight, palm facing away from you. The third picture will show tuck the chin down onto the chest and gently turn your head from side to side. And the fourth picture will show turn your head slowly from side to side. And then the exercise for rest break is tall stretch and toe in, toe out. And that's all from me. Thank you.